wondering why. When they woke up the next morning, they could not believe their eyes. Christmas had been stolen. They had no idea why.
Sydney, it'll be okay. Eventually work out.
It ain't even snowing down. I just want to find trees. But I hear weeping loud. December's 24th moon. It's the only light tonight. Mama's got a suitcase packed by the bedside. Harlem ain't never been dark, but I pray you find me lost in the unknown, but my face behind me. Little bit of love through it all inspired. Let's go on, now let's get to trying. Someday the hate will run so thin, love will make the world spin. It's up to us someday. Kids will keep their innocence. We will grow to make amends. But someday it's today. Someday it's today. Someday it's today. Oh, it's up to us. Someday it's today. Someday it's today. Oh, it's up to us.
All right, Kim. All right, girl.
We can do better. We
They all knew something had went terribly wrong.
Yes, presents are nice, but we don't need to let this get us down. Presents and gifts are not what make the Christmas and the holiday season. It's our energy and love. Look to each other and you realize you have all you need.
Grinch could hear them singing, and at first was confused. How could they still be happy when no presents were cheering?
But then Grinch had to rethink. He realized the gifts and presents is not what brought them joy. It was the love that they had for each other.
Aren't you tired of living like this? Surrounded by all your doom and doom? I know it was you. Yeah, it was you. I want to be happy, walking through the streets of West 25th Street, shopping, singing, and dancing. You know what? That's it. That's it. I'm out of here. No more hiding the real needs. No sleep.
Harry, what have I done? Have I become such a bum? No, I never did that. We must get it all back.
Cindy's mom hands her a letter. I wonder what